Hey Sandeep, you remember once Ankur gave you that Kopou Phool root? So in this video, you are going to plant that one in this tree, in this trunk of this tree. So you haven't done this before, but let's see. Let's see if we can do it right. Okay. So your steps are like this. You will prepare some soil, and with the help of a cloth, you will tie those root in this trunk. So let's prepare the soil first. So this is our soil. These are our duck dung and this ashes and some of the tea. So we will mix them together and we will plant that plant here, somewhere here with the piece of a cloth. So let's mix this one. So after mixing, this is our soil, and let's plant that plant. So now at this stage our plant is like this, and we will wet this soil with some water so that it will stick a little bit with this cloth, and we will tie this to the trunk. So let's do it now. So after watering the soil, it is like this somewhat, and now the challenge begins. We have to carry this very carefully up to that trunk. I don't know how. Let's give it a try. So this is how it is after we plant this one here. So let me give you a closer look. This one I have tied this with this rope and this cloth. This is one is cotton one, and of course I have done this with my mother's help. And actually you can plant this one in a pot also, but I have seen in this type of trees, so I wanted to do this. So yeah, here it is, my Kopou Phool.